I don't know about any of you lah, but last time my hair, right, when I comb time got the schlack sound. You know why? Cause too dry already. Last time I bleached my hair, one time only my hair already spoiled. So I tried a lot of treatments. Everything I tried also didn't help me at all. My hair was still the same. So I was very pek-cek already. So I went online and then I checked and see whether got anything that can help my hair. Then I came across this hair Botox and fillers therapy. So I decided to go and try lor. So basically that was one of the best decisions I made. My hair now, right, it's not stiff or straight like those you know, when you go to rebond your hair is like so straight. I definitely recommend this to everyone who have dry hair, damaged hair, or just feel that your hair needs some pampering. Like, just go and try. Seriously, go. Because wow, you never try, you really never know. It saves me so much time also when I blow dry. I just blow downwards and then my hair is like okay already. Thank you Chez, Vous, for helping me do this hair Botox and fillers therapy.